Hey guys, here we are back after the big move, and because it's back to school time, we're gonna keep things simple with two recipes, some easy cheesy garlic bread ciabatta and some ciabatta bread pizza. Gonna be so delicious. Let me show you how to do this. What I have here is some ciabatta bread, and I really like this bread. You can pick this up in just about any grocery store. Let's go ahead and cut this in half. Just beautiful bread. Now we've got the ciabatta bread all cut up. I'm going to make up that wonderful garlic butter, starting with 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Grab up a fork here, and we're just going to cream this up. And you want your butter at room temperature. That's why it's a lot easier to work with. Add in the star of the show, 3 cloves of garlic. And of course, if you're a garlic lover, you can always add in more. I always make the joke, this will keep the vampires away, but it'll also keep the people away. About a teaspoon or so of fresh basil. You can use dried if you like, but I just love basil. A good pinch of salt, and of course if you're using salted butter, you don't have to use salt. And if you know me, my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. I'd say about, half a teaspoon. I'll just go ahead and give this one more mix. I've got some friends coming over tonight for spaghetti and meatballs, and they're just gonna devour this. You can serve it up at parties too, dorm night with pizza, whatever you like. Oh, and the smell is just shining through now. Now I'm going to scoop up a good generous amount and spread it over the ciabatta bread. Oh ciabatta, oh ciabatta. Another one of my silly songs. And I can't stress enough again, guys, just be really generous with this, because it is garlic bread. Then, of course, life just wouldn't be complete, my friends, without a good, generous application of that ooey gooey mozzarella. And use a good quality mozzarella if you can, because it makes all the difference in the world. And to finish our wonderful garlic bread off, I'm going to garnish this up with a little bit more of that fresh, wonderful basil. Okay, let's grab up our baking tray. And of course I've lined this with some parchment paper. And we'll just set our garlic bread aside on here. Because guys, we are not done yet. We're going to do up that ciabatta pizza bread. So to make these wonderful little devils up, I'm going to scoop up a couple of tablespoons of marinara sauce and place it on the ciabatta bread and swirl it out. And of course you can use as much or as little of this if you like. Remember, the ciabatta bread is going to absorb this. Now I'm using marinara sauce here, but you can use pizza sauce too, or even homemade marinara sauce right from scratch. I've got a great recipe for that. I'll put it below in the description section. And of course, some mozzarella. Gotta have mozzarella on any form of pizza. Some mini pepperoni. And we'll add 6 slices or so here. And we'll just top this off with some fresh basil. You don't want to add too much basil, because basil can be really overpowering. And I should add here, guys, this is just the basics. You can add mushrooms, olives, onions, whatever you like. I'm just keeping it simple. The key element is the ciabatta bread. Just makes it absolutely incredible. Okay, let's go ahead and slip our ciabatta pizza on the baking tray with the garlic bread. Oh, gonna be incredible. Now I'm going to slip this into a 375 degree Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius, preheated oven for about 15 minutes, just until that cheese is bubbly and the bread is browned. After 10 minutes or so, we are beautifully done, guys. And just look at this, the cheese is beautifully melted down. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Okay, my friends, let's go ahead and cut into this. And this smells so garlicky. Oh, just look at this, guys. Wow. Incredible garlic bread. And now for our pizza. Oh, Wow, so good. The ultimate party food or snack. Okay guys, even before the taste test, which one do you like? Do you like the pizza or the garlic bread? And if you're like me, you're gonna say both, and I'm sure your guests will say the same thing. All right, I'm gonna dig right in here and do a taste test, and I'm gonna start with the garlic bread. This is heavenly. I love the cheesiness. The garlic just shines through, and that ciabatta bread is just incredible. And now for the pizza. Oh my goodness, guys, this is even better. I just love this. Again, I'm gonna go on about the ciabatta bread, but it is just incredible. This is mini pizzas at their best. Okay guys, that concludes our first video in the new kitchen. If you'd like a tour, just drop a comment in the description section below and we'll put it on community. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Become a member. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and see you next time.